Quadrilaterals. Today we will solve some problems on quadrilaterals. First problem, the angles of a quadrilateral are x, x minus 10, x plus 30 and 2x. Find the angles. We know that the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360. Therefore, x plus x minus 10 plus x plus 30 plus 2x is equal to 360. So x plus x 2x plus x 3x plus 2x 5x minus 10 plus 30 minus 10 plus 20 is equal to 360, or 5x is equal to 360. Taking 20 to the other side, it becomes minus 20 is equal to 340. Therefore, x is equal to 340 by 5. So, 5 6 30, 5 8 40. So, x is equal to 68. Therefore, the angles are x. So, first angle 68 degrees, x minus 10, 68 minus 10, 58 degrees, and x plus 30, 68 plus 30, 98 degrees, and 2x, 68 into 2, 136 degrees. Therefore, the angles of the quadrilateral are 68 degrees, 58 degrees, 98 degrees, and 136 degrees. Next, second problem. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:2:3:6. Show that this cannot be possible. So, we have to show that the angles cannot be in the ratio 1:2:3:6. So, if the angles are in this ratio 1:2:3:6, then let the angles be, let 1x, 2x, 3x and 6x. Then only they are in the ratio 1:2:3:6. Therefore, sum of the angles x plus 2x plus 3x plus 6x. Sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360. Therefore, x plus 2x plus 3x plus 6x is equal to 360. X plus 2x 3x, 3x plus 3x 6x, 6x plus 6x 12x. 12x is equal to 360, or x is equal to 360 divided by 12. That is equal to 12 3 is 36, 0. X is equal to 36. So, the angles are x, that is 30 degrees, 2x, 2 into 30, 60 degrees, and 3x, 3 into 30, 90 degrees, and 6x, 6 into 30, 6 3s, 18, 0, 180 degrees. But an angle in a quadrilateral cannot be 180 degrees. If an angle is 180 degrees, that will be like this straight line. Suppose the angle between AB and BC is 180 degrees, then it will be a straight line. So then it becomes a triangle. Two sides, third side, fourth side. Two sides are along the same side, therefore it becomes a triangle. So the angle 180 degrees cannot be an angle of a quadrilateral. Therefore, this ratio cannot be the angles of a quadrilateral. Next, third problem. In a quadrilateral, the angles are in the ratio 3:4:5:6. Find the angles. The angles are in the ratio 3:4:5:6. Therefore, let the angles be 3x, 4x, 5x and 6x. Then the sum of the angles 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 360. because the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360. 3x plus 4x 7x, 7x plus 5x 12x, 12x plus 6x 18x. 18x is equal to 360, or x is equal to 360 divided by 18. 18 to 36 is 0. So x is equal to 20. Therefore the angles are 3 into 20. So the angles are 2x, 3x, that is 3 into 20, 60 degrees. 4x, 4 into 20, 80 degrees. 5x, 5 into 20, 100 degrees. And 6x, 6 into 20, 120 degrees. So we will check whether these values are correct or not. Then the sum of the angles must be equal to 360. Therefore 160 plus 120 plus 80, 200. 160 plus 200, that is equal to 360. Therefore sum of the angles is equal to 360. Therefore these values are correct. Next, fourth problem. In a quadrilateral, the exterior angles are 60 degrees, 80 degrees and 110 degrees. Find the fourth exterior angle and also the four interior angles. So in a quadrilateral, the sum of the exterior angles is also equal to 360. Therefore, let the fourth exterior angle be x. Fourth exterior angle is equal to x degrees, say. So sum of the exterior angles 60 plus 80 plus 110 plus x is equal to 360 degrees, or 60 plus 80, 140, 110, 250 plus x. 250 plus x is equal to 360. 300. Therefore x is equal to 360. Taking 250 to the other side, it becomes minus. So minus 250 is equal to 110. Therefore the fourth exterior angle of the quadrilateral is 110 degrees. Now we have to find out the four interior angles of the quadrilateral. So as the exterior angle is 60 degrees, the interior angle at that vertex is 180 minus 60. That is equal to 120 degrees, because in a suppose ABCD is a quadrilateral. If we extend AD like this, this is the exterior angle at D, and this is angle D. So and this is a straight line. Therefore exterior angle at D is 180 minus D. Similarly, exterior angle at C is this is C, and it is 180 minus C. So if interior angle is C, exterior angle is 180 minus C. If interior angle is B, exterior angle is 180 minus D. So at a vertex in a quadrilateral, the interior angle and the exterior angle are supplementary. The sum of the interior angle and exterior angle at the same vertex is equal to 180. Therefore exterior angles are 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees. 180 minus 80, that is equal to 100 degrees, and 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degrees, and the fourth one is 360 minus sum of this 100, 200, 290. So 360 minus 290, that is equal to 70 degrees. So fourth one is 70 degrees. Thus we can find out the exterior angles. So remember that the sum of the interior angle and the exterior angle at a vertex, at the same vertex, is equal to 180.